Blueberry cake recipe. Blueberry cake is a delightful dessert that's perfect for any occasion, offering a wonderful balance between the tartness of the berries and the sweetness of the cake. Here is a step-by-step recipe to guide you through the process of making this delicious treat. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 0.5 teaspoons of salt, 0.5 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 0.5 cup of milk, 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, for coating blueberries. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. 3. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes of mixing with an electric mixer on medium speed. 4. Beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Mix in the vanilla extract. 5. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture in 3 parts, alternating with the milk and beginning and ending with the flour mixture. Mix each addition until just combined, do not overmix. 6. In a small bowl, toss the blueberries with the 2 tablespoons of flour to coat them. This will help prevent them from sinking to the bottom of the cake. 7. Gently fold the coated blueberries into the batter. Be careful not to crush the berries. 8. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it out evenly. 9. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. 10. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Optional: dust with powdered sugar before serving. Enjoy your homemade blueberry cake. It's best enjoyed fresh but can be stored in an airtight container for a few days.